coconut fish fried rice. I'm going to add my oil I used in frying the fish. Saute your onion, garlic, and pepper. Now add your curry powder. I'm using curry leaf. Seasoning cubes. Now add your washed rice. Stir and allow to toast for 3 minutes. Fish stock and coconut milk. Stir and test for salt. Cover and allow to cook. Now let's check the rice. All done. Now add small butter and oil in a pot. Allow to melt. Add your veggies. Sweet corn. Add your prawns. Some all-purpose seasoning. Stir, 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 and allow to fry for 2 minutes on a high heat. My fried fish. Stir, stir. I'm going to add my rice. Stir on a high heat. I'm going to add my spring onions. Stir, stir, stir. And it's done. Our coconut fish fried rice is ready, you guys. You can call it anything you want to call it, but this is amazing. All done.